You're here for another IQ test, aren't you? Okay, great. This one that you're going to be taking today is a little bit different than the ones that I've normally done, but I hope you still enjoy it. So, okay, great. So, let's begin. We have the first one. This is just a sequence of shapes and colors, and I just want you to tell me which one you think would come next. That's going to be for all four of these, okay? So, which one do you think would be right there? Kind of follow the patterns, and then you have A, B, or C to choose from. And then for this one, I'm gonna immediately tell you the answer. Is that okay? Okay, good. Good job. Yes, the answer was B. B, B, B. Because it goes circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle. So then the next one would be this blue triangle. Let's do question 2. So we have this series of shapes, and then tell me what you think would come next. Here are your options right here. You think you got it? What do you think it is? Yes, it is A, the purple circle, because it goes circle, circle, square, circle, circle, square. So the next one would be circle, circle, square again. So it would be A. Great job. Okay, question 3. We have this series of shapes, and I just want you to tell me again what would come next. Do you think you know it? You can take a few more seconds to look at it. What do you think it is? It is C, 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 C. Because it goes square, circle, triangle, square, circle, triangle. So the next one would be this square. So yes, it would be C. Good job. For the 4th question, we have all the same color, but this one might be a tiny bit confusing because, well, no, I don't know. I don't think it's confusing, but it could be confusing to some people, depending on how you look at it. Okay, yeah, that's what I said. So I think I made this up, so I'm just gonna tell you what I made it as, but the answer would be A, because this could be confusing. You could think that it's B because it goes 1 triangle, 1 square, 2 triangles, and you'd think there might be 2 squares, but I kind of did it as like triangle, square, triangle, triangle, square, triangle. Does that make sense? Okay, good. You got it right, so it doesn't matter, but okay, for these next ones, I just want you to tell me what category all of these would fit into. All the words. So we have happy, sad, mad, and nervous. What category of words would those fall in? Yes, you're right. They're all emotions. Emotions, emotions, emotions. Okay, and for question 6, we have lemon. I can't read this backwards. Grape, apple, and orange. Can you tell me what these all fall under? Yes, good job. They're all fruits. Fruits, fruits. Good job. All right. The next one is like basically you're just spotting the odd one out. So for this one, tell me which word is the odd one out. This one's pretty simple. Just this first one right now. You're right, it is car, because lake, ocean, and river are all bodies of water. This is the next one, the next one, the next one. Just do this one. Don't start on this one yet. Yes, it would be grass because pink, purple, and orange are all colors. Okay, and then for the last one of this section, yes, it's pencil because pop, country, and rock are all genres of music. Good job. Okay, now for this one might be a little bit challenging because it's going to be a little bit quick. But first, I'm going to ask you what color each of the words are, like the lettering. So not like what the color is, but like what the color reads as, but what color are the letters. Do you get what I'm saying? Okay, great. So for example, this one, well, let's do this one. Orange. It says orange, but I want you to tell me the color that it's written in. So this would be purple. Okay? So we're going to do it quite fast. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes. Mm-hmm. 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 Yes. Mm-hmm. 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 Yes. Okay, good job. Now I'm going to be asking you what the word reads as, not the color of the word of the letters, okay? So yes. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes. Mm-hmm. You're doing very well. Yes. 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 Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Well, that's all I have for you. This one was pretty simple, I feel, but I think it was fun. Definitely. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, I wanted to say I'm sorry that I've been doing so many IQ tests. I just do them a lot because personally I like making these videos, and also you guys really enjoy my content. Like, well, all my IQ test content you guys have loved. So I'm sorry. Someone commented on my video and said something like, you should just turn this channel into an IQ test channel, but like, it's just what you guys like, so I'm just doing what you like. Yeah. All right. I love you guys so much. Bye.